When you don't answer people's questions, they become like, okay, I'm gonna suck every piece of data out of you now. What you want to do is you want to put so much information, the information, that workbook that you guys like, man, that's a lot of information in here, it comes from this. Try learning this. All right? This is information overload is what it is. Try doing this by yourself. I had a guy tell me yesterday, I'm going to teach this information myself. Good luck. Okay? You see what I'm saying? So what you want to do is you want to give people, it's like when you go to Thanksgiving dinner, right? And there's so much food, you lose your appetite. Make so much available, they're like, okay, I no longer have a scarcity issue here. When you don't answer people's questions, they become like, okay, I'm gonna suck every piece of data out of you now. Because they become hungry, right? So give them the data, overfeed the guy.
Okay.
Yeah.